Hi everyone and welcome to this lesson. In today's class, we will learn some useful German vocabulary about animals, especially birds, fish, and insects. These words will help you describe nature, talk about your favorite animals, and expand your everyday German vocabulary. So get ready to learn and practice your pronunciation. Let's get started. Die Tiere, Insekten, Vögel und Fische. Animals, insects, birds, and fish. In today's lesson, we will learn about die Tiere, die Insekten, die Vögel und die Fische. As we said a moment ago, today we are learning about animals, birds, fish, and insects. Der Affe, monkey. Der elephant, elephant. The same. Der Bär, bear. And der Drache, dragon in English. Der Esel, donkey. And der Schmetterling or der Falter, butterfly. Der Frosch, frog. And der Fisch, the same fish. Der Grashüpfer, grasshopper. And der Fuchs, fox. Der Hai or der Haifisch, shark. Der Hahn, rooster. Der Hamster, hamster. Der Hase, rabbit. And der Hirsch, deer. Der Hund, dog. Der Käfer, beetle. And canary, der Kanarienvogel. Der Löwe, lion. Der Ochse, ox. And der Papagei, parrot. Der Pfau, peacock. Der Skorpion, scorpion. Der Spatz, sparrow. And der Stier, bull. Der Storch, stork. And der Strauch, strauch. Strauß, ostrich. Der Tiger, tiger. Der Vogel, bird. Der Walfisch, whale. Der Wolf, the same in English, wolf. Der Ziegenbock, billy goat. Der Adler, eagle. Der Biber, beaver. Der Büffel, buffalo. Der Bule, bull. Der Delfin, dolphin. Der Eisbär, polar bear. Der Floh, flare. Der Gepard, cheetah, der Gorilla is the same in English, the gorilla. Der Hamster, we already said, and der Haifisch, shark. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.